Hello guys and welcome here on the channel. Today is mid of March and I went out for another overnight camping with my TransALP. I am waiting for a few days now to have this nice sunny day to can go out with tent. Here in Arad, Romania, in the last few days was very bad weather. In the daytime, rain, and at night, -degrees. For the next 2 days is this little window of good weather. Today 15 degrees Celsius and I hope at night time to be reasonable, not under 0 degrees. Yes, you get it right. I camp in the same place where I was in the last 2 times. This place is only at about 30 kilometers from home and I like it because it's safe and peaceful. Some of you asked me last time from where I have the firewood. From home? No, from here. From now on I have only 2 or 3 hours of light, so I have to make my tent and after that make a fire and to put something on the grill. Today it comes the time to make a pork steak because at the 1st of January I made some burgers and the last time when I was here I made minced pork and beef meat mince. Unfortunately I forgot at home my camping chair, so instead of this I will use my side case. I have a few things to say, and yes, I have a script because it's a little bit harder in English than in Romanian language. And I guess that almost any biker had thinked at least one time that one day to have a new bike and to become a worldwide traveler. Some of us try to achieve that goal for years, but life sometimes is too short to have time to waste. A few days ago, I saw the new TransALP that are slowly arrived all over the world. And about 1 week ago, I posted on my personal Facebook profile, Salma Robert, a video with the new TransALP that I found it on YouTube. And I write the description, obviously like a joke without thinking too much, if we put from hand to hand €1 for the new TransALP. In a few minutes, people, friends from Facebook ask me more details where they can help. I was very impressed, and in that point I say to me, maybe now is the time to start this dream and to do something to become true. I posted at my banner a picture and wrote my life story there since I was a child and how I started like a biker. I called this helping campaign €1 challenge for the new TransALP. And my goal is to have beside me 10,000 people in 1 year. I will detail more in the upcoming weeks. Maybe after that will arrive the new TransALP to Romania and I can make a test drive. But for now, I wanted only to share with you the idea itself. I know it will be a controversial subject, not everybody agrees this type of helping, but it's good that no one is forced to help. If you want to become part of my dream, you have details down below in the description. And thank you very much for watching until this point. And I have to continue with my tent because it's almost dark and it's only 8 degrees, it's quite cold. I think it will be again a cold night. I think, guys, that was for today. I go in tent and see us in the morning at the tea and the sunrise, and I hope it will be okay overnight without -degrees. Good morning, guys. It's 9 o'clock and it was a very long and hard night. I didn't know that there are a lot of jackals in this area. They howled in the background all night. I also had a nightmare. I woke up in the middle of the night and screaming. My throat still hurts. I fell asleep on my side and my hand went numb. When I opened my eyes, I felt a pain in my hand, and being all dark, hearing the noise from the tent and from the bike cover, plus the jackals in howling, my brain gave the signal to scream, thinking I was being attacked. It was a very strange feeling. It's time to go out of the tent and maybe to make a tea. I don't stay here too much. It's not so cold, but this wind is very annoying. It is too windy outside to make a fire, so I will make my tea here on the Primus, and after I will continue to pack up everything and to leave earlier. fruity ginger tea. Yes, this is perfect. One ginger tea with lemon. It's good to start the morning with a great tea. In a few days I will post a new video where I tell you where we are going in our next bigger adventure, where we will start our official 2023 motorbike season. So stay tuned, because we have some questions and we want to know more things about that place, or maybe you have some curiosities and we can answer you after we come back from that place. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe, to hit the like button, leave us a comment and share this video. See us in the next episode. Bye.